Welcome to Just a Sliver. Here's a sliver of Kra Pao. This Thai dish is bursting with flavour. With the use of Thai basil, also known as holly basil, your taste buds will sing. For the real-time cooking tutorial, click the banner above or search Sliver and Bite TV right here on YouTube. Let's prepare the ingredients ready to throw into our pan. Chop up your chili, shallots, and garlic, then get started on your Thai basil. Pull the Thai basil leaves off of the stem and then roll into a cylinder. This is the easiest way to cut into ribbons, which is preferred for this dish. And set that aside for later. Now it's time to heat up the oil in a fry pan or wok. Once your oil is hot, throw in your shallots and sizzle for 2 minutes. Then time to add in your chili. Sizzle for a further 1 minute. Now it's time to add in the garlic. Sizzle for another minute. Now it's time to push the garlic, chili and shallots to the side and throw in the meat. Smash down and cook until about 50% of the way done. Then you can mix in your shallots, garlic and chili. Once you start to see a little bit of moisture coming out of the meat, throw over your sugar and combine. Now it's time to add the flavour. Fish sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce and hoisin sauce. Now stir until fully combined. You will leave this on the heat for approximately 5 minutes or until it starts sticking to the pan. Then it's time to add in the chicken broth. Shortly after, while it's still steaming, throw in the Thai basil. This will allow it to wilt. Stir until fully combined and make sure you have your rice ready to go because we're ready to plate up. I love presenting my food in a large share bowl. Scoop on your Kra Pao and make sure you garnish it. Thanks for joining me for just a sliver of Kra Pao. Don't forget to check out the rest of what Sliver and Bite has to offer right here on YouTube. See you soon.